This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Herr. This beautiful 4/3/3 is move-in ready. Located in a highly desired gated community in the heart of West Melbourne, this home is sure to please. High ceilings, spacious rooms, and an open floor plan are perfect for everyone. Completely updated bathrooms and in-home office. The very beautiful kitchen opens to the family room and overlooks the large fenced yard and screened patio. Laundry room connects the kitchen to the 3-car garage. Home is wired for Vivent security system. Accordion hurricane shutters and a recently replaced roof. For more information, review the details below.